Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a double chocolate birthday cake. I'm really excited about this. This is actually for my own birthday. I'm turning 39, so happy birthday to me. Let's get started.
This is a 6-inch peanut butter cake filled and frosted with milk chocolate ganache. If you want a triple chocolate cake, you could use chocolate cake as well. As it is, once I've perfected the peanut butter cake, I'll share the recipe with you, but this one wasn't it. The ganache, however, was amazing, officially one of my new favorite things. I smoothed the ganache on the cake, and cleaned up the cake board. I used a package of plain M&Ms and placed a line of them around the bottom of the cake. And a little pixelated design on the top of the cake. I spent a lot of time trying to whip the ganache until I eventually had to chill it to whip it up properly. I put it in a piping bag with a Wilton 1M tip or a large open star and piped swirls around the top of the cake. Then I cut up pieces of Kinderriegel and placed them on top of the swirls. Finally, I added a few sprinkles. This cake was amazing. I am in love with milk chocolate ganache. This tasted amazing, was quite fast to make, and was perfect for my own birthday. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and now TikTok. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.